there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue faced by Android users, being stuck on the Android logo. If you've ever found yourself in this frustrating situation, worry no more. We've got you covered with our ultimate troubleshooting guide to get your Android device up and running again, so let's jump right in. Section 1. Understanding the problem. Before we dive into the solutions, let's quickly understand why your Android device gets stuck on the logo screen. This can happen due to various reasons, such as software glitches, incompatible apps, system updates gone wrong, or even hardware issues. By diagnosing the root cause, we can apply the most effective solutions. Section 2. Soft reset and safe mode. The first step in troubleshooting is performing a soft reset, which helps resolve temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try booting your device into safe mode. Safe mode disables third-party apps, allowing you to identify if any app is causing the problem. We'll guide you through both processes step by step. Section 3. Clearing cache partition. A cluttered cache partition can also lead to the stuck on logo issue. Fear not. We'll show you how to access your device's recovery mode and clear the cache partition to get things running smoothly again. This simple fix often does wonders. Section 4. Factory reset. If all else fails, it might be time to consider a factory reset. However, proceed with caution, as this step erases all data on your device. We'll explain the backup process and guide you through the factory reset procedure to ensure you don't lose any important data. Section 5. Advanced solutions. In some cases, advanced solutions might be required to fix the problem. We'll cover methods like flashing stock firmware, using Android Debug Bridge (ADB), or seeking professional assistance. Although these methods require more technical expertise, they can effectively resolve complex issues causing your device to be stuck on the logo. Section 6. Preventive measures. Now that you've successfully resolved the issue, let's talk about preventive measures to avoid encountering this problem in the future. We'll share tips like keeping your device updated, installing apps from trusted sources, and regularly clearing app caches. And there you have it, folks. Our ultimate troubleshooting guide for fixing an Android device stuck on the logo screen.